Hi everyone and welcome to this webinar. My name is Amir and I'm going to introduce part of my PhD work entitled ML Prediction Model for Externally Bonded CFRP System Contribution to Shear Resistance of RC Beams using Synthetic Dataset. For this study, we have collected database from the literature, pre-processed to purify and prepare it for the machine learning model development. From a manifold of features, we have selected only the meaningful features and used part of the experimental data to develop machine learning models using several machine learning algorithms. And then using the test data set, we evaluated the performance of each algorithm and we picked the best algorithm to develop another model using synthetic dataset. And then we compared the performance of these two machine learning model with the previous existing models available in the literature. And finally, we used SHAP to interpret our data. The design space of this strengthened beam is so complex that requires a huge database. And as you can see in the right-hand side plot, there are some rare events and there are some lacking data in the database. And also you can see that these parameters are not following a very specific mathematical distribution type. So this is where tabular variation of the encoder comes in. We take the information from the real space to a latent space where we can draw samples, and using a decoder we can go back to the real space. In conclusion, we have synthetic data. As you can see in the real data set, we have lacking data, and also the number of the samples for different feature of the beam is not satisfactory. So using synthetic data set, not only we have samples in the lacking space, but also we have increased the number of the samples, which will help greatly into the performance of the machine and in the interpolation capacity. The best performer algorithm according to the real data set is XGBoost, which will be also used for developing model for synthetic dataset. As can be seen, the prediction performance of the model trained with synthetic dataset has improved compared to the model trained by real dataset, and also in total it's better than the prediction produced by the previous existing models. The SHAP value also shows that the prediction model is producing smooth results consistent with the physics of the problem. Many thanks for your attention.